What's up, gang? Let's make a human pelt. Stay tuned. Alright, so you're going to grab your black sheet plastic and hit it with a heat gun. Start forming your arms, like so. Add another layer like this. Hit it with that heat gun. Now start forming the head. Add another arm. Finish that torso up like so. Bring those arms on in, just like this. And then throw on some paint. This is a dead blue paint that I'm using. It's acrylic based. Add a little bit of latex to stick. Then your piece is ready to stage for scares. Very realistic looking, but I can assure you it's just fake.